What is up, my friends? Welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove permanent marker from your wall. And I just want to say up front that this mark was not made recent. I didn't make this like yesterday or whatever so I could do a video on this. This is not a fresh mark. If it was a fresh mark, I could use just about anything to remove it. But I can tell you right now that this permanent marker you're seeing here has been here for years and years and years. And I'm going to show you in this video how to get it off. You're gonna need a magic eraser. To use a magic eraser, you've got to get it wet first. Let's go to the sink. Now we're ready to go. All right, so we're just gonna rub it and it's gonna come right off. Now I just wanna say that I do not guarantee this is not gonna take the paint off your wall. But that is a consequence of getting permanent marker on it. What I can guarantee is this will remove the permanent marker from the wall. But honestly, I don't know of any method that doesn't take the paint off the wall. Or at least potentially take the paint off the wall. You just have to test in an inconspicuous area if you're concerned about it. But as you can see, I'm just gently rubbing this and the permanent marker is coming, off no problem. And like I said, this has been here for years. I mean, years. Could be 6 years ago these marks were put on this wall. And I am putting hardly any effort whatsoever. It's just it's really just a satisfying experience. But as far as the paint coming off, it might be coming off a little bit. You just have to check it when it dries. Look at that, it's gone. This dampness right here will dry though, and it'll just look like the wall here. I want to show you what this looks like when it dries. So you got this one right here. This right here was also permanent marker, and I removed that yesterday. See right here? This is where the permanent marker was at. And so it's just kind of whitish, but it dried. Come over here. That's what it looks like. So just to give you something to compare. Hope that helps out. So that's it, my friends. That is how to remove permanent marker from your wall. And if you've ever wanted to know how to remove pee stains from your mattress, click the video on the screen right here.